Used to like the same things, music, movies, outings. We were two sides of the same coin. I always wanted something like this, a comfort in the silence, feeling alive in your smile. And fingers interlocking, I can't understand how people grow apart while they're holding hands. And fingers interlocking, I can't understand how people grow apart while they're holding hands. And we don't fit in each other's life no more. And we don't fit, and the jagged edges hurt. It's hard to accept that we don't connect the way that we did before. And I'm afraid it'll only get worse if we force it, 'cause we just don't fit. Is there something on your mind? You say that it's alright, but I can tell that's a lie. Never thought that it'd be like this. No, I can't stand the silence. Lately it's so hard to find. And fingers interlocking, I can't understand how people grow apart while they're holding hands. And we don't fit in each other's life no more. And we don't fit, and the jagged edges hurt. It's hard to accept that we don't connect the way that we did before. And I'm afraid it'll only get worse if we force it, 'cause we just don't fit. Fingers interlocking, I can't understand how people grow apart while they're holding hands. Oh, the time, anytime we'll take it. Anytime you miss the train, alright. Or so it seems. All the lines are taken, going other places. Well, you know. Oh, the times disappear. Well, anyone will take it. Oh, the times, they are near. And everyone will make it. The train is full, everyone's mistaken. Everyone has no idea they're here. Afraid or not, tracks are always certain. No one can escape the silver light.